Okay, first, this is some introduction about what we are working on actually. So basically, this is a computer system combine hardware and software to perform various tasks such as accept input, retrieve data, process data, and store data. Food ordering system is a quick and easy way for customer to order food online. The system consists of some components like payment processing that can increase workflow efficiency for fast delivery. This can overcome the issue that Malaysia often faces, such as delay in refund processing when orders are cancelled. Next, let's move to the background and benefit of our system. Western Food Kitchen Ordering System is a digital platform for placing restaurant order that is accessible via websites, mobile apps, or chatbots. It is an user-friendly interface for browsing menu, customizing order, and making payments. There are a lot of benefits for the customer, such as convenience, increased satisfaction, and also make secure payments from home or on the go. Lastly, what is inside our system? The system consists of user interface where user need to enter information such as name, contact, and membership status. Next is menu management that are separated into 3 categories, which are food, beverages, and dessert. Other than that is payment processing, where it can secure payment processing using various methods. And lastly, feedback and analytics that ask the customer to provide feedback through survey. Next, let's move to the objective of our system. The first objective is to provide efficient food ordering system. It developed a system to efficiently manage the food order for various choices for customer. User can choose either delivery, take-out, or dine-in. This is to achieve an easy way to order and track the food status for delivery and pick-up time. Next, to provide user-friendly interface. The system creates a user-friendly interface for customer to input information such as name, contact, address, menus, customize order, and make payments. This is done in the correct order to make it easier for customer to understand it to keep convenience in mind. The next objective is menus availability display. The system implements a feature to display the food and drink choices, allowing users to choose their preferred order. This includes a list of available dishes, prices, description, and any special discount. This feature can help users decide which choices to make since it is well organized. And lastly, various processes are shown. The system listing all the processes that are engaged, the total price, and the total member discount. This is done to show the correct amount for user to pay.
Next, let's see the analysis of this program. First, the input. We use data type string for customer name and feedback. Then, we use data type integer, which is int, for customer contact, type of order, delivery area, quantity of food, quantity of drink, and credit or debit card information. Lastly, we use char, which is character, for membership status, type of food, type of drink, cold or hot preferences, type of dessert, and payment method. Next, let's see the process behind our system. First, our programs calculate the total price by adding all the food, drinks, and dessert order, calculate the tax, which total price multiplies 6%, and then calculate the after tax by adding tax to total price, calculate the membership discount price by multiplying 10% with after tax calculation. Then, calculate the total payment, which after tax minus membership discount. Next, our program uses Sentinel while loop repetition for membership status, type of order, dessert order, which can end by entering if for proceed payment, and dessert quantities. Next, for selection, our program uses nested if for dessert choices, else if for dessert quantities, and if for dessert highest and lowest price. Our program also uses counter for dessert quantity and array for dessert price, and will calculate average for dessert price. Next, we use user-defined function, which is membership discount, delivery charge, name and price food details, name and price drink details, and name method details. Lastly, we use void function to display the menu, which is food, drink, and dessert. Okay, lastly, for the output of our programs. First, the output is the customer information, which displays customer name and number, and list of all menus ordered. Second, it displays the total menus quantity and preferences for drinks. Third, it displays membership discount or no discount by using the membership discount process. Fourth, it will display all the calculations that are involved and bank statement, which is receipt. And lastly, our program have a dessert festival section special for customers so that they can know the details for their order.
First, we'll ask the user to input their name, contact, and member status. Next, we'll ask the user to input their order type. We'll call display food menu, ask the user to input their food, choice, and food quantity. Next, we'll call display drink menu. Next, we'll ask the user to input their drink type, drink, and drink quantity. Next, we'll call display dessert menu, ask the user to input their dessert. But dessert is not same with P, we'll tell the name of the dessert, price, and total. If not, calculate the total dessert price. The count add up. If count unequal to 1, the check dessert price is the highest or the lowest. If not, yes, the lowest and dessert price is same. Ask the user to input their dessert. While dessert is same with P, calculate the average. User input their payment method, call delivery charge, call membership discount, call name food details, call drink details, call price food details, call price drink details, call name method details, calculate the total price, total tax, after tax, total discount, and total payment. Display all the requirements for receipt. Ask the user to input the feedback. is return function membership discount. Rate status from user. Then code is Y, they'll get discount 10. If no, don't get any discount. Discount will be returned back to the main function. Return function, they will charge the step with reading the area get from the user, and they'll get charged depends on the area. For void function display menu, let's display the food menu. Then functions rename food details. Start with reading the food code the user input. Then food code the accept the food name, and they will return the food name to the main function. The function float price food details. Read food code from the customer. Food price is chosen by the selection. Food price will be returned back to the main function. Right, display drink menu. The display the type of drink and the drink. Or the function string name drink details. They accept drink code from the user. They choose the name for every drink name and return the drink name back to the main function. The function float price drink details. They accept drink code and by the drink code, they'll get the drink price, and then the drink price will be returned back to the main function. For void display dessert menu, they will display dessert menu return function, drink name method details, accept method from the user, then by the method, they will check every case. For A, method name is cash. Display, you can make payment at the counter or after receive your order. Case B, the name is card. So the user need to input their card number, expiry date and security number. Their code is wrong, system will display invalid code. Method name will be called back to the main function.
Now, let's move on to our main purposes of this project, which we will take a look at the source code and the sample of our code. To start this source code, we use 3 hidden files such as iostream, cctype, and also iomany. And then for the function declaration, we declare various type of function definition. And then move on to the variable declaration, we use 4 type of variables such as string, int, char, and also float. Then, this program starts with a welcome message and a bit of greeting. And then the system will ask you to enter your name, your contact, and also your member status. And the source code, you can see a get line C in name. That sentence is to read your name with spaces. And then for the member status, if you enter other characters than Y or N, you may ask to enter again your membership status. And if you enter the character of Y or N, the system will proceed to the next step. After that, the function definition membership discount will read the status and declare the discount and return it to the main function. For step 2, you may ask to enter your order type, and then if you enter other numbers than 1, 2, or 3, the system may ask you again to enter your order type. But if you enter either 1, 2, or 3, you proceed to the next step. The next step is getting delivery area. If you enter the order type is 1, then you will enter your delivery area such as 1, 2, or 3. And then if you enter 2 or 3, you will skip this section. Then the function definition of delivery charge will read the area and declare the charge and return it to the main function. The next step is display food menu, where we call the function definition display food menu. And then you may ask to enter your food choices and also the quantity. Then the function definition name food details and also price food details will read the food code and declare the food name and also the food price. And then the function definition will return the food name and the food price to the main function. The next step is to display drink menu, where we call the function definition display drink menu. And then the system may ask you to enter your drink type, your drink choice, and also the quantity. The next step is to display dessert menu, where we call the function definition display dessert menu. And then the system may ask you to enter your choice of dessert. If your choice of dessert is not equals to B, then it will perform various processes, such as, for example, if your choice of dessert is A, then the system will declare your dessert name, dessert price, and then it will calculate the total price and total quantity of dessert A that you choose. Then the other process is to calculate the sum and the counter of the dessert price that you choose. And then it will check the highest and the lowest price of dessert. For example, if the count is not equals to 1, then it will check either the dessert price more than or not than the highest. If the dessert price more than the highest, then the highest is that dessert price. But if not, the dessert price will be the lowest price. And then the system will ask you again to enter your choice of dessert until you enter B to stop the program. The next step is to getting payment methods such as cash or credit or debit card. Then, in the function definition, name method details will read the method that you choose, and that will declare the method name. But if you choose B, it will declare the method name and get more information about your debit or credit card, and then it will return the method name to the main function. After getting all the user input, we calculate the process, and then for the function call, we call various of function definition, such as for member discount, we call membership discount function definition. The last step is to display the receipt, and then we make it a bit interesting to declare the average, lowest, and highest price of dessert that the user buy. And then we getting feedback from the user, and that's the end of our program. Before that, you may see at the source code a set W13. That means we will display 13 spaces, and also we may see fixed and set position 2. That means the price that we display will be stick to the 2 decimal places. And then that's all from me. Bye bye.